What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So the question is that how to overcome fear in programming. Okay, I mean the question is quite long. Okay, I already have overlooked. There's a person which is like having some kind of problem, with the loop or something like that. He's sometimes some kind of nervous problem. So how to overcome the fear in programming? For example, if you are writing a code and it's behaving like stupid, the code sometimes the code can be like moody. Sometimes it can be like your spouse. Sometimes everything is fine. Sometimes I don't want to talk to you. I really don't want to talk to you. Today I'm not gonna go outside and eat. Today I'm not gonna eat inside. Today not I'm gonna wear this dress. No, I don't want that. I want this. It's gonna be moody. Similar as your spouse, right? It doesn't really matter husband or wife. Due to bug, due to some kind of how to say, code is a puzzle. Code is a puzzle, like a jigsaw puzzle. Sometimes you think that thing fit like this. It's a wrong fit. Whenever you build something, you understand that you write line of code to do a particular function, but that 5 or 6 lines you write like 6 line of code to do a particular function. But even you can do with it in a 2 line. That 6 lines sometimes can affect the performance, the runtime. There are bazillion variables which can do. First, always try to write the code less as possible. A lot of people think then to write lines and lines of code. No, write less code as possible. Try to comment as much as possible. Try to write code less as possible. Try to comment as much as possible. Try to document whatever next step or whatever type of function are you going to run, or are you going to put data. Try to comment every step. Now again for the main question, how to overcome the fear. There is no way of fighting fear unless you give up. Give up. Fear is gone. Leave it. Fear is gone. My practical example. I have started a small business in Rwanda. For 1 year, I face a lot of hurdles, problems. Sometimes I say I want to give up. Okay, Sakura, I'm going to do something else. You know what? I have a small startup, but the problem is that aside from Africa, I don't know where I can start. In Hong Kong, I can't start. I can't start anything in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a racist country. So I can't do it. But I have a fear that I'm going to fail. The best thing I can do, I can just give up on my Rwanda Africa startup or e-commerce. I can give up. Fear is gone. I'm relaxed. I really don't have to worry that I'm gonna fail. But I ask myself, Jimmy, one day you're going to be a successful or a failure. One day you're going to be a successful or a failure. Or day one you're going to be successful or a failure. Same with your programming. One day you are going to overcome your fear, or day one there is no such thing as fear. Fight like a warrior, die like a warrior. There is no fear. One day or day one, that is the decision you need to make. Again, one day you will overcome your fear. One day you will become like that ninja in programming. Or it's day one. There will never be one day. That one day will never come. It's always be day one. It's always be day one. If you are not understanding anything, try to learn. Still not understanding, try to skip. You really don't understand every mamba jamba of programming. Skip. Something is not, you're going to utilize, something you're not going to use on this project. You're not understanding a particular concept, but that is not directly linked to the overall scenario. Skip. Come back to later. Thinking can come back later. Understanding can come later. Come back. But fear If you have fear, give up. Fear is gone. Or wait for that one day. Fear will be remain there. Or day one. Fight. Kill off the fear. Check out the links in the description box below. Buy anything from affiliate link. It will support my channel. Subscribe.